Welcome to the channel, Jamaican Crime. The channel that looks at crime in Jamaica. Jamaica is getting a major weapon in the fight against crime later this year. It's getting the National Identification System, NIDS. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, indicated the NIDS project should be fully functional by the end of the year. So what is NIDS and how will it help in the fight against crime? NIDS will help to identify people. The National Identification System, called NIDS, is a unique, reliable, and secure way of verifying an individual's identity. So someone commits a crime in Halfway Tree and the cameras in the area capture the crime. Then the criminal's picture and be run through the NIDS database and his identity found out. What is very surprising is that currently, Jamaica does not have a central national database with the accompanying systems to support secure, reliable identity verification and authentication. So when NIDS is fully operational, identifying persons will be so easy. The NIDS database will be electronic, so fingerprints from a crime scene can be processed much faster. The results will not only give a name from the fingerprint analysis but also a picture. Police will be able to identify persons on the street much easier. The objectives of NIDS is to establish a reliable database of Jamaican citizens and other individuals ordinarily resident in Jamaica, with a unique national identification number, NIN, as the primary key identifier of a person in the system, to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of government entities, management, and delivery of government services to the public, to include program benefits such as the National Insurance Scheme, NIS, the National Health Fund, NHF, welfare, e-government, with the use of the NIN, creating the linkages between entities and providing the following services: citizen to government C2G, government to government G2G services, government to business G2B services, and government to citizen G2C services, among others, to facilitate the growth and development of commerce and economic activity through the provision of a platform of greater security and integrity for public partnerships, to enhance the government's ability to secure compliance with critical obligations to the state, to include tax collection, among others, strengthening of immigration, border control management, public safety and national security. What are the benefits of NIDS? Reduce the need to register for each benefit and / or obligation, e.g. payment of property taxes or receiving PATH benefits. This will, among other things, simplify the government's processes and eliminate costs incurred from paper purchases and other administrative tasks. Assist in the fight against crime by providing the relevant authorities access to a secure database which captures civil and biometric data of citizens and residents in Jamaica. Minimize the capacity for an individual to assume multiple identities, which has contributed to illegal activities such as money laundering, tax evasion, and credit card fraud. I'm hoping that by the end of the year we will have a significant portion, if not the majority of the population properly identified in the National Identification System, Holness said during a tour of the NIDS Card Center at the Post and Telecommunication Department on South Camp Road in Kingston. The facility will be responsible for producing the identification cards issued under NIDS. It includes the production center, vault area, and enrollment site. New legislation and regulations related to identity management, verification, and data sharing will be enacted. The legislation will ensure the protection of personal data. All existing laws related to identity management and storage will be reviewed and amended if deemed necessary. Data sharing agreements will be established among government entities. The initial design and development of NIDS is funded by a technical cooperation grant from the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, through the Korean Poverty Reduction Fund in the amount of $670,000 with GOJ counterpart funding of $120,000. NIDS will be game changer in the fight against crime in Jamaica. Thank you for watching and remember to like and subscribe.
you.